The notification arrives at 9:02 a.m. Salary credited. You stare at the number. It looks big. It won't feel big by Friday. Level 1. The employee. Your salary was designed to keep you functional, not free. There's a difference. Nobody in that building ever explained it to you. You can earn 6 figures and still finish every month empty. That's not your fault. That's the architecture, working exactly as it was built. The employer doesn't own a bigger salary. He owns a bigger piece. That's the rule they never post in the job description. The employer looks at you once across the hallway and says, "You're doing great." You smile. He already moved on. You are the asset, not the owner. Level 2. The structure. Discipline alone breaks. You can't decide every single day to save instead of spend. That war exhausts you. A system decides once, then it runs without you. The 20-60-10-10 rule. 20% grows your future. 60 covers real life. 10 protects you from disaster. 10 lets you breathe. Most people spend first and save whatever survives. This flips that. Your future gets paid before your habits do. That's the only sequence that works. Level 3. The growth machine. The 20% is not a savings account. It's an engine, automated. The moment your income lands, it moves. Before you see it, before you touch it. A 25-year-old investing $500 a month for 10 years, then stopping will still outrun someone who starts at 35 and never stops. Timing is the asset. Nobody sells you. Index funds. Broad market ETFs. You're not betting on one company. You're buying ownership in the whole board. That's not exciting. That's exactly why it works. Level 4. The shield. One emergency and 6 months of progress disappear. Not because you were reckless, because you had no buffer. The 10% stability fund exists so that one bad week can't end you. Calculate your monthly essentials. Multiply by 5 or 6. That number is your target. Park it somewhere liquid. High-yield savings. You earn while you wait. You never panic while you hold it. Level 5. The ceiling. You get a raise. You upgrade everything. The apartment, the car, the subscriptions. Income went up. Stress stayed identical. That's lifestyle inflation. It's invisible until it owns you. The 60% cap forces a question you never ask. Do I actually need this? Or am I paying to look like someone I'm not yet? Most bills answer that honestly. Level 6. The release. The last 10% isn't optional. It's what keeps the system from collapsing. You spend it without guilt. A meal. A concert. A weekend away. That's not weakness. That's the fuel. When the system runs, the 20% compounds quietly. Every month the engine turns without you arguing with yourself. That's when you stop working for money, and money starts working for you. Wealth isn't what you display. It's the option you hold in silence. The freedom to say no. The ability to wait. The choice to work because you decided to, not because you have to. The system isn't complicated. Follow it every day, and staying broke becomes structurally impossible. You already know what to do now. The only question is when you start.